If you are a light sleeper and you're waking up because you're hearing a dog bark or you're hearing a car sound or any other noise that is waking you in the night, then it might be a good idea to sleep with some amount of white noise in the background, whether that is just true white noise or nature sounds or even listening to a subliminal meditation over the course of the night can be really helpful to just have a baseline amount of noise that you have in the background so that you can fall asleep and stay asleep without any interruptions.